Divide 6½ divided by 3 1/4. When I have a mixed number divided by a mixed number, the first thing I want to do is turn them both into improper fractions. How do I do that? Well, for 6½, take the 6 out in front and multiply it to the denominator of 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Now take that 12 and add it to the numerator. 12 plus 1 is 13. So that becomes your new numerator, and keep the denominator of 12 exactly the way it is. Now drop down that divided by sign, and let's do the same exact thing with 3 1/4. Take that 3 in front and multiply it to your denominator of 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is going to be 13. So we get 13 over 4 this time. Now, when you divide two fractions, you're going to want to use the rule keep, change, flip. What is that? Well, keep the first fraction exactly the way it is, 13 over 12. Change division into multiplication, and flip 13 over 4 into 4 over 13. Now we have two fractions being multiplied together. Now there's a little trick, and I'm going to show you this trick for the first time on my channel. If you have a numerator that's exactly the same as a denominator, you are allowed to cancel those out. And they become ones. So now I have 1 times 4 and 2 times 1. 1 times 4 is 4 in the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2 in the denominator. And you know what? 4 divided by 2 is just 2. So after all of that, we get a nice answer of 2. That's it.